Let me tell you one trick to eliminate 70% of your writing mistakes. It's been years that I'm working as an IELTS instructor, and whenever a student gives me his or her writing, what happens? I find out the wrong spelling or the wrong structure or some missing words, and they usually say, "Oh, we did that unconsciously. We were not even aware that we made this mistake." I know the correct spelling, I know the correct structure. It's just that I was not focusing on my writing, or I just made this mistake unintentionally. I know the correct spelling. This is true, that you know it already. Now, one trick that will really help you to eliminate 70% of your mistake is to revise your writing. Never ever just give your writing to any other person until or unless you have not revised your writing. Remember, this is really important, because when we are writing down something, we have so many things going on in our brain. For example, we are concerned about the spelling, we are concerned about grammar, about the sentence structure and the content. But when we are revising, at that time, we are not the writer, we are the reader. So from the reader side, we can find out the mistake that we have made as a writer. Remember one thing, specifically in your IELTS exam, whenever you complete your writing task 1 or task 2, just revise your writing. And for that purpose, spare even 3 to 5 minutes. And I assure you that you will get good band.